Hey everybody, as you can see, I tried using that head mount, but I can't see where I'm aiming, so I'm using the tripod that I bought. But yeah, I just got off work, and I also picked this up today off the truck. We finally got a Snap-on guy that comes literally every week now. Won't leave us alone. So I'm still trying to make time for all of you. So I picked this up on the truck because apparently this just came out. And this is the only one that he had, so I decided to pick it up because I have tons of light at work. But they're not that great. So it's a struggle trying to get proper lighting at work when you're working. I got a Snap-on hood light. That thing is okay. You can change the battery in it and just charge it and put a new one in, but it wasn't that bright. I also got a Worth hood light, and it's super bright, but you can't change the battery on it, and you have to plug it in to charge it, and the battery doesn't last very long. So there are good and bad things. I got my normal flashlight that I carry around, and then I have the light that goes around my neck. Yeah, and I have one in my garage that I used too in my last video. But yeah, so I picked this up. Apparently this is new. It wasn't cheap, but yeah, hopefully this will solve my problem. I turned one on and it was super bright when I was in the truck, so I was sold on it. So yeah, USB Type-C, which is great. This is the charging brick. Let's see, what else does it say? Before I take everything out of the box, I'm just gonna show you the box. It's upside down. If you can all see that. It says, the thing on the back, it says charging time 2.5 hours by USB-C and 4.5 hours on the charging base. Runtime is 3 hours on highest setting and 24 hours on lowest setting. So I guess if I were to use one light and that one dies, I can just grab another one, stick that one on charge, and then, you know, continue on. So, yeah, here it is. 3 lights. So you just grab one off, comes off. And I turned one on and it was super bright, just the one, right? So super strong magnets too. You can take one of these out. It'll pivot. Stick it underneath the hood. Turn it on. Right? It's pretty nice. Take them all out of the package. Oh, there's also magnets on the back of this, so these things are pretty strong too. The only thing I'm worried about is that over time these magnets fall out. That's the only thing. Other than that, there's a stand. You can pop that up and just, you know, prop it up on an angle. So it's put these on. Yeah, if you press 1 when you're on the base, it'll turn on all 3 of them. You see that? It's really bright, which I really like. So yeah, I'll let you know when I use this and see how it is. But yeah. Also, yeah, on these back ones, there's a little flap here. You can actually charge them individually too. I guess that's what it means by, you know, by USB-C 2.5 hours, but you plug it into the dock, it takes 4.5 hours. But yeah, so anyways, this weekend, I'm gonna pick up some of these LED work lights. My friend actually texted me after he saw my last video and saw how dark my my garage was, and was like, you got to get these shop lights that you can get at Costco. They're LED and they're super bright, because he has them in his garage, because he also works out of his garage, but he doesn't do, you know, car stuff, but he does home renovations, I guess. He's renovated my friend's house and my other friend's parents' house, and yeah, the kitchen and bathroom and everything are really nice. I think, yeah, he does good work, I guess. So just bringing you over, I guess, to my window now. But yeah, so I stick it in the plug it in so it charges. The green LED light blinks, and then I think when they fully charge, they just stay on solid. Yeah, I think, yeah, there you go. See, solid. So they're pretty much fully charged. Also, you can adjust the brightness of it. So I'm gonna stand over here because it's pretty blinding. So you can just hold the button, it'll go super bright, and then you can hold it again, they will start dimming. Even the lowest setting is really bright, but if you imagine the brightest setting, yeah, that's also very, very bright. So yeah, I'm super stoked to use this at work. Hopefully I don't forget it underneath a car or something. There was one time I literally, while I was working underneath the car, I found a Snap-on flashlight, and I was like, sweet, free flashlight. And then I showed my coworker, and I'm like, hey, that's my flashlight. And I'm like, are you sure? He's like, yeah, I'm missing that flashlight. It's like, I think it's been under there for 6 months. And yeah, so I just gave it back to him. Anyways, so I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.